Welcome to Digital Scrapbooking with Affinity Studio. I'm Angela. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial now on how to use JPEG format seamless pattern tiles in Affinity. Now, the way to install them all is to use something called assets. So I've got these lovely pretty ones here with lots of glittery effects and the brick wall and some lovely metals. And this set is by NBK Design and they're available at Digital Artistry. There'll be details in my comments on the description for the video. So we need to start by creating an asset folder. So we go to Window, General, and then switch on the Assets panel. And then here we have a drop down and I'm going to create a new category. Now I'm going to name it the name of the pack that I'm using. And now I'm just going to select all of these tiles and I'm going to drag them into the assets here. And now we have them all looking. Now we want to use them, we use them on a custom shape. So here I have my custom shapes tool and let's just go with a square star tool, make shape and then select the fill tool and my patterns. I can change which pattern I want to use. And these handles are for altering the scale and orientation, so I can make the pattern smaller or larger and I can rotate it. Right, let's move that. If I create a new shape, it will automatically apply the pattern tile that I have selected to my new shape, and I can change that by selecting the fill tool and then choosing which tile I want to use. You can apply special effects in the usual way and it's nice and easy to do. Thank you very much for watching. Blessings. Bye.